Dear students, good morning. I think you all have enjoyed the last class. In last class, we learned the uses of plants. Now, I am going to recall that plants give us food. Examples: fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, coffee, tea, sugarcane, wood, perfume, toothpaste, paper, etc. This lesson is going to be very interesting. We are going to learn about animals that help us. All of you know many animals that live in the world. Did they all are same? No, every animal is different. Some live in forest, some live in farms or homes. See the pictures carefully and say the pet animals. Yes, correct. Dog, cat, rabbit, parrot and fish. Now say the animals kept at farm. Very good. Cow and sheep. Students, listen the lines. There are different types of animals in the world. Some animals live in forest. Some animals are kept at homes and farms. Let us learn more about them. First topic is domestic animals. These animals are termed and kept at farms or homes. What is termed? Termed means an animal that has been trained to live with people. Termed means an animal that has been trained to live with people. Did you all understand? See the first picture. What is that? Very nice. Hens in a coop. Next picture is what? Correct. Horse in a stable. Third picture is cows in a shed. Did these animals build their home? No. We only make homes for these animals. These animals live in homes or farms are called domestic animals. All of you say some examples of domestic animals. Good students. Horses, goats, sheep, ducks and hens. Okay, listen the lines. Domestic animals. Animals such as cows, horses, goats, sheep, ducks and hens can be termed and kept at farms or homes. The animals that can be kept at farms or homes are called domestic animals. We make homes for some animals we keep. These animals help us in many ways. At morning, we all drink milk. From where we get that milk? Correct. Cows, buffaloes and goats. Everyone like ghee, cheese and curd. From which we get them? Yes, they are made from milk. These products are called milk products. You listen the line. Animals help us in many ways. We get milk from cows, goats and buffaloes. We drink milk to grow strong and healthy. Milk is also used to make foods such as butter, cheese, ghee, and curd. These foodstuffs are called milk products. From which we get the omelette that we eat? Correct, student. Eggs. From where we get eggs? Good. We get eggs from hens and ducks. Did anyone eat honey? Can you say the taste of honey? Nice, cuties. Honey is so sweet. We get honey from beehive. Beehive give wax also. We use that wax to make candles. Student, listen the line. We get eggs from birds such as hens and ducks. We get honey and wax from beehives. Bees' wax is used to make candles. We all eat non-veg. Non-veg means meat of the animals like chicken from hen, mutton from goat and fish. When we go to marriages, your mummy will wear silk sarees. From where those silk threads come? Nice, student. We get silk thread from silkworms. Silkworms means small insects. During winter, we wear woolen sweater and mufflers to protect from cold weather. The sweater is made up of wool. We get wool from sheep. Okay, again listen the lines. We get meat from animals such as goats, chickens and fish. We get silk from silkworms. Silk is used to make cloths such as saris and scarves. We get wool from sheep. Wool is used to make sweaters, mufflers, etc. All the school students wear shoes. Which thing we use to make shoes and belts? Anybody know the answer? No, these things are made up of leather. Leather means the skin of dead animals. We don't use all the dead animals' skin. We use only the skin of goats, sheep, buffaloes and camels. Okay, now listen the lines. The skin of animals such as goats, sheep, buffaloes and camels after they are dead is used as leather. Leather is used to make jackets, shoes, bags, belts and many more things. How would you all come to school daily? Some will come by school bus, van, bike or walking. We use these vehicles to move one place to another. But some people use animals to move one place to another. Example of that animals are horses, elephants. Sometimes coming on the way you all see the ox cart. No, that oxen are help us to carry heavy loads for us. Example of some other animals carry heavy loads: horses, donkeys, elephants and camels. Listen the lines. Animals such as oxen, horses, donkeys, elephants and camels carry heavy loads for us. Some animals help us move from one place to another. I will say some animals: cats, dogs, rabbits and parrots. How we call these animals? Correct. These animals live in home. So we call them as pet animals. Pets are our friends. These are help us in many ways. Which animal guards our home? Correct. Dog. Which animal chase the mice away? Very good. Cat. Student, listen the lines. Pets. Animals that we keep in our homes are called pets. Cats, dogs, rabbits, and parrots are examples of pets. Pets are our friends. They help us in many ways. A dog guards our house, and a cat chases mice away. These animals help us in these ways. I think all of you enjoyed this lesson and have learned many things. Okay, students, bye. Summary of this lesson: animals that help us. There are different types of animals in the world. Domestic animals can be tamed and kept at homes or farms. We get milk from cow, goat, and buffalo. Some examples of milk products are curd, butter, and ghee. We get honey and wax from beehives. We get meat from goats, hens, and fish. We get silk from silkworms and wool from sheep. Leather is made from skin of dead animals. Example: goat, buffalo, camels. Some animals carry heavy load for us. Example: horse, donkey, and elephant. Pets are kept at homes. Example: cat, dog, and parrot. Thank you.